Okay, kids, class is in session.
What is 32 minus 12? 20, right? You just subtract. But not under the new Common Core method.
Why are they going through this backwards method here?
This man who trained in nuclear engineering couldn't understand it.
I don't understand.
He wasn't alone.
This is how you arrive at the answer, my friend.
That's insane. That's so many steps.
Why does it need to be so complicated? Why are you adding things when you're trying to subtract?
We gave people questions for third graders. They got even more confused.
Add 26 plus 17 by breaking apart numbers to make a 10. Use a number that adds with the 6 in 26 to make a 10. Since 6 plus 4 equals 10, use 4.
We gave the engineer another shot.
You're looking lost?
Yes, why would you break that down that way? I think that's literally 4 steps more than you need to get the same result.
Make sense?
No, that's ridiculous.
Now I know why he's having trouble in math, of which I had to pay for math tutors.
And I understand you have an example of your son's homework to share with us right now, Camden's homework. Can you help us understand it? Teach me Common Core, Doug.
It's very complicated. I mean, I have it here. I think you guys have a full screen of it as well. And this is just 6 simple math problems.
It looks like tic-tac-toe.
What's that?
It looks like tic-tac-toe a little bit to me as I'm staring
Yeah,
at it.
it's very, I mean, if you don't know how to do this and you're not familiar with the terminology, it's very hard to do. But I mean, I understand the concept. I'm not against Common Core math by any means, but I don't like that I'm an educated 41-year-old father of 2 a first grader and a second grader, and I can't help them with can't help them with their math homework. It's very frustrating. And I see that now that I put it on Facebook. These parents are posting on my wall saying they're crying, they're in tears, their kids are in tears, and they just can't do it.
Yeah, it's really frustrating when you want to be an active parent involved in your child's life and it's difficult.
But even under the new Common Core, even if they said 3 times 4 was 11, if they were able to explain their reasoning and explain how they came up with their answer really in words and in oral explanations, and they showed it in the picture, but they just got the final number wrong, we're really more focusing on the how and the why.
In fact, it made us realize that essentially you can get a universe from nothing without any supernatural shenanigans, that basically by quantum mechanics and the laws of physics we understand in principle, an entire universe with 100 billion galaxies, each containing 100 billion stars, can come from nothing because its total energy could be 0, and therefore you don't need to literally violate any laws of physics to create a universe. And no, we don't know that for certain, but